We realize that there are many things that's going on that it's nothing to do with medicine. It's the entire ecosystem, right? It's your physical activity, it's your diet, it's your air, and so forth. For all of us in this medical line, we keep using technology. And there's a whole bunch of engineers and scientists looking at upstream stuff. But just the downstream stuff, I cannot consume it. The engineers think differently, right? They think from A to B. The clinicians think from B and say, I need solutions A. But they don't know what that solutions A are. But engineers know A and they want to go to find a B, but maybe it's not B, essentially. So I think that this is very challenging. Then we're now going into large language models. So this one here, where we combine a large language model with the deep learning. So it's what I'll call a vision language model. First P is you need an ecosystem, right? You need many, many people inside here. Then the second P is this whole social psycho aspect. You need to address the concerns. And then you need to look at, as I mentioned before, right, this flow. How do you do a flow? Where you want to impact on it? Then you need policy support, right? And then you need this patience. So the future, what do? We have many things that we are not yet able to look at, right? This whole idea that you have perfect information in a system. I've always said, students, give me a data set. That's the perfect data set. It's no such thing. We make imperfect decisions, right? You can see uncertain situations. You will assist us, right? Traditional model won't disrupt too much of how we care. Then you have an integrated model, and I think that integrated is what we desire. You will kind of new healthcare model.